Hi everyone, my name is Jean and the name of my channel is Jean Home Decor and More. Welcome back and welcome if you're new. Welcome to Tablescape Tuesdays. Tablescape Tuesdays are graciously hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. There are also co-content creators that participate in Tablescape Tuesdays. So I would encourage you all to stop by their channels and check out their contribution to Tablescape Tuesdays. You'll find some beautiful table settings. You won't be disappointed. Today, as you can see here, I have created a winter tablescape. It's a winter vibe, isn't it? So today here in the Dallas area, it is cold and rainy. Tomorrow, it's supposed to be super cold. So I thought that I would create a table that matches the weather, and this will be my last winter tablescape for the season. So I don't have anything new on this table, which makes this table setting all the more attractive to me because I didn't spend any money to create this. Well, not recently, let me just say that, not recently. So I'm starting to dismantle my winter decor. And so I took this garland off of my mantle and I thought it would make a nice topping over my table runner. And I have had these salad plates along with the matching napkins. I've had them now maybe about, I got them last year, the year before from Home Goods, and I think they are really super, super nice. They have a little bit of a gold edging on them. So with that, I chose to use the candle holders. They have a gold base, my wine glasses that have gold trim, and my flatware that is gold. So I thought that I would pick up some pops of gold from the salad plate edging. I included some bells. So it makes for a nice aesthetic. And here for my centerpiece, I have my winter greenery. These are winter picks. I have got those from Hobby Lobby. And like I've said this before, picks are versatile because you can use them in many ways. You can include them in your Christmas trees. You know, you can include them as part of your winter arrangements. They're just versatile. I've also included another type of winter fir, and I have some cypress here that's very realistic. I've said that time and again, and I got that from Amazon. So I put all these different greenery stems in because I thought that this was really, very pleasing. Very pleasing to the eye. You had different textures of winter greenery. And then I have this nice natural looking vase here. So I'll just step back out a minute and kind of go around and let you have a look. I hope that this tablescape gives you some ideas for how you might want to create your own winter tablescape. And I hope you like this video. If you do, please be so kind to give me a big thumbs up. Drop a comment in the comment box below. I would really appreciate it. And subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you join my channel. So I'm going to leave you guys to a little bit of music. I hope that you have a magnificent week, what's left of it.